1964 Aston Martin DB5. Aston Martin restored in 2024. Finished in Silver Birch with Connolly Vaumol grey-blue VM3611 hides. This stunningly restored example of the iconic DB5 is presented in as-new condition. The subject of a total restoration completed over a 3-year period by the famed heritage operations at the Aston Martin Works division in Newport Pagnell. Dismantled and fully rebuilt with all new, refurbished or reconditioned components. No aspect of this sensational DB5's restoration has been overlooked in the pursuit of excellence. The Works supplied restoration book confirming the full extent of the restoration process and attention to detail employed in this exacting restoration is included, with Aston Martin Works restorations now costing in excess of £450,000 plus taxes, and infrequently taking 3+ years from the start to finish of a restoration project. We are delighted to offer this January 2024 completed and ready to go example, available now without the protracted wait and any unforeseen costs. Completed in the iconic James Bond 007 livery of Silver Birch with Connolly grey VM361 hides and Wilson grey carpets, as specified on Commander Bond's original DB5, famously featured in the immortal 1964 film Goldfinger. The special equipment fitted to our example includes refrigerated air conditioning with heat insulation, power-assisted steering, an uprated period Motorola 818 radio with Bluetooth connectivity and concealed speakers front and rear, and obligatory bullet-style front wing mounted overtaking mirrors, as fitted to 007's iconic and MI6 issued example. Coming to market immediately from the restoration's completion, other than factory road testing in dry weather conditions, 0 miles have been covered by the last owner prior to the car being delivered to ourselves and offered for sale. As confirmed by the manufacturer's build record, this DB5 was originally manufactured and supplied by UK agents Brooklands in September 1964 to its first Southwest London owner. Accompanying the car is the coveted manufacturer-issued bound restoration portfolio, both confirming the highly detailed and authentic total rebuild to the manufacturer's renowned gold standards and the certification of this DB5's originality and authenticity. The restoration scope included every aspect of the car, including body, paint, chassis, interior trim, a rebuild to the original 4-litre triple SU carburetor specification of the original engine, transmission, axle, exhaust, brakes, suspension and steering, wheels and tyres, electrical, and the incorporation of a number of improvements to enhance its usability, reliability and safety, such as the EZ power-assisted steering and refrigerated air conditioning. Commonly referred to as the most famous car in the world, this factory-fresh example of the Aston Martin DB5 is available immediately for use in the UK or export. Supplied with original type DB5 owner's manual, restoration book, car cover, jack and tool roll. Available for viewing now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.